us an idea?
This one's right under 2,200 square feet, 3 bed, 2 bath. You gotta check out these finishes. We recently collaborated on our second project with Sleiman Homes, and we're super excited to break ground at our new site in Ruthven, Kingsville.
How many lots are there and what can we expect for design?
Well, there's gonna be 13 lots, and the clients can choose from a 2-story or a ranch, and each build will have a couple different designs, which is nice.
So is what we see here a standard finish?
For the most part, Sleiman Homes, this would be standard. I mean, obviously there's some upgrades in here, but like again, they're pretty flexible, and what you see, there's no carpet anywhere. They do, hardwood, quartz countertops, high-end finishes for cabinets, trims. So pretty much for the most part, yes.